Building rustic wooden garden steps lined with white pebbles. Build a modern gabion rock water fountain adorned with vibrant flowers. Crafting a stunning floral stenciled walkway through the garden. Turn natural wood log slices into an elegant garden staircase. Handcrafting a rustic bed using natural stone and timber. Creating a cozy circular fire pit lounge in the backyard. Handcrafting a rustic bed using natural stone and timber. Turning wooden pallets into an amazing backyard pool. Upcycling milk crates into stylish bathroom storage shelves. Construct durable brick and granite front door steps for a premium look.